Hello everyone. The world's car floor mat looks at China. Chinese car floor mat look at Muchkey.
Muchkey car floor mats, handmade with 100-year heritage. This is fully surround car floor mats, 5-layer composite technology, 13 colors available. This is our new product, double-layer car floor mats. One is Chinese car floor mats. It is anti-slip and wear resistant, easy to clean. 2 is Golden Age car floor mats. The artwork under your feet gives you a different comfortable experience. Every time you drive, it is kind of enjoyment. 3 is Meteor shower car floor mat. Good design, good material and good workmanship. More environmentally friendly, safer and more beautiful. 4 is elbow yam carpet car floor mat. Create with heart. Challenge yourself. Create something extraordinary and create a car floor mat like an artwork. 5 is glassy blanket car floor mat. 6 is silk loop car floor mats. Custom floor mats are designed according to the original car.
Classical car floor mats we can custom for you. Any logo, pattern, and picture are available.